Do you ever royally screw up an easy task like I do? I recently picked up a fun project vehicle. It's an older Isuzu Trooper II. The boys and I have affectionately named it the Pooper Trooper. The tires it came with have decent tread, but the sidewalls are weather checked and need replaced. Plus, I don't really like the silver wheels with the bronze colored body. So, I scoured the internet for some replacement wheels. I found these Vision wheels and thought they would look great on the new-to-me Trooper. They have the correct lug pattern, they have the correct bore in the center, and they have the correct offset. They will be perfect, or so I thought. I ordered them up and mounted the new tires before ever checking the fit of the wheels. You see, the Trooper came stock with steel wagon wheels. They are very thin where they mount on the lugs, only 1/4 of an inch thick, so the vehicle didn't need very long wheel studs. The alloy wheels that the previous owner mounted are a bit thicker at 5/8 of an inch. This is the thickest wheel that could possibly mount on the stock wheel studs. My new wheels are a full 1 inch thick at the mounting flange, and the studs themselves are only 1 inch long. Alright, it's time to ditch these short wheel studs and find some longer ones. Wheel studs come in different thread sizes and also have different knurled shoulder sizes. Unless you plan to drill out the holes in your flanges, you need to stick to the same shoulder dimensions. I struggled to find very many lug stud lengths available for the Isuzu Trooper. Luckily, I found some that were too long, ones I could cut down to the length I need. For your viewing enjoyment, here's a slick time-lapse clip of me pressing out the stock wheel studs and pulling in the new longer studs. I'll try to put links to the parts and tools I used in the description below. I pressed out the old studs using a ball joint press tool. I'll put a link to one that you can get to do this in the description below. I had to grind a little off the back of mine to fit it behind the axle flange. I pulled in the new longer studs with a beefy lug nut and a heavy-duty bearing. The bearing helps you put all the force into pulling instead of galling up the flange while tightening the nut. I'll put a link to one of these bearings in the description below as well. I think the smartest thing I did throughout this whole process was to use the wooden hammer handle to keep the flange from spinning. Ah, so much better than the short stock ones. The boys approve of the new wheels and tires. Obviously, I had to go test them out. I must say, I definitely picked out the right wheels for our Pooper Trooper, even if they were a pain to install. So worth it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also, please check out our other videos. We like to have fun building and modifying cool things. I think you'll enjoy watching many of our other videos. Thank you for watching.